Structure of diborane. Diborane is a hydride of boron, possesses terminal bonds on the side and bridged bond in the center, and two boron atom. All are covalent bonds. Now we are going to study about the type of bonds present in diborane, which joins the two units of borane molecule. Before going into see the structure of diborane B2H6, let's see the bonding present in C2H6 ethane. B2H6 and C2H6 both sides the covalent bonding is present. What is covalent bonding? The bond formed by mutual sharing up of electron is called covalent bonding. Here now consider carbon of atomic number 6. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, K shell and L shell. Here the ground state electronic configuration, ordinary ground state electronic configuration is here 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 on during hybridization, during the bond formation. Here the absorbs electron, absorbs energy and moving to the 2p level. The hybridization of s and p orbital forming sp3 hybridized orbital of equivalent energy. The four lobes of sp3 hybridized orbital of carbon. Here the half-filled electron, the four lobes of methane is formed with equivalent energy. For example, the sp3 hybridized orbital of carbon reacts with 4 hydrogen forming methane like this. Here the covalent bond formation between carbon and hydrogen. So for here in the case of ethane C2H6, here the valency is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the covalent bond formation between half-filled orbital of hydrogen and half-filled orbital of carbon, sp3 hybridized orbital carbon, and hybridized forming the methane molecule like that, bond formed methane molecule like this. So, so the carbon hydrogen bond, sigma bond, not methane, carbon hydrogen sigma bond formed. So like this here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sigma bonds are present. Here one carbon carbon sigma bond, the remaining is carbon hydrogen sigma bonds. So totally 7 sigma bonds are here. For 7 bonding, here 1 carbon 4 electrons. If it is 2 carbon, another 4 plus 4, here 8 electrons, 6 hydrogen 6 electrons. So totally 14 electrons are here for the saturated covalent bond formation. Now comparing the bond formation present in C2H6 with B2H6. Now B2H6, the formula is B2H6. Here the atomic number is 5. The electron arrangement 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 2s2, 2p1, the valence shell electron. Here also s orbital and p orbital undergoes hybridization forming sp3 hybridized orbital with 4 lobes. But in that only 3 electron is present. The fourth one is empty. So now comparing the C2H6 with B2H6 bond formation, here boron, 2 boron and 6 hydrogen. So for the bond formation, the boron only 3 electron is present, 2 boron atom, 3 plus 3 totally 6 electron and 6 hydrogen atom, so 6 electrons. So totally 6 plus 6, 12 electrons only present here. Now consider one boron with 3 lobes, half-filled electron, and here the another boron with 3 lobes. In the terminal bond, in the 6 B2H6, the 4 carbon reacts on the terminal side. Half-filled orbital of hydrogen overlaps with the half-filled orbital of boron, forming covalent bond. Like that, the four hydrogen here, this two hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, forming terminal boron hydrogen bond is formed. How the other bonds are formed, that we are going to see. Here one boron atom with the 3 lobes and another boron atom when reacts with the 6 hydrogen. Here the terminal bonds are formed that I already said. Here the half-filled orbital of boron, sp3 hybrid orbital of boron reacts with 1s orbital of hydrogen. Here one terminal hydrogen, boron hydrogen, here one terminal boron hydrogen, here one terminal boron, here one terminal boron. Here the electron vacant orbital is present. Here it is the lobes of vacant orbital without electron here the present in boron. And now here the 6 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen reacted, remaining 2 hydrogen is there. That hydrogen, what takes place is here the orbital, half-filled orbital, here vacant orbital, half-filled orbital of boron, vacant orbital of another boron. Vacant orbital of one boron, half-filled orbital of this boron. Now what takes place is here one of the hydrogen among the remaining two, one of the hydrogen forms bond between half-filled orbital of this boron and vacant orbital of this boron and overlaps and forming a bond. So called bridged bond. Here also the vacant orbital of this boron, half-filled orbital of this boron, here hydrogen, and the half-filled orbital of hydrogen forming bond called bridged bond. So this one is called 3-center 2-electron bond as it involves 1, 2, 3. Half-filled orbital of boron, half-filled orbital of hydrogen, vacant orbital of another boron. So 3-center 2-electron bond. And here this one is called the terminal bonds are called 2-center 2-electron bond as it involves here the half-filled orbital of boron, half-filled orbital of hydrogen overlap forming bond, terminal bond called 2-center 2-electron bond. So here the boron B2 diborane B2H6 here on either side 4 boron hydrogen terminal bonds in the center boron hydrogen bridged bond is present. And next one is the bond type, and the bridged bond type also called as banana bonding as it covers on both sides, both sides vacant and half-filled orbital of on either side of the boron with hydrogen is also called as banana bond. And here the bridged bond, the bond angle is 97 degree. Here the terminal hydrogen, boron hydrogen, the bond length is 119 picometer, and here the bridged boron hydrogen bond length is 124 picometer. Here the terminal boron hydrogen bond angle is 120. So bridged boron bond angle is 97. A terminal boron bond angle is 120. Here the bridged boron hydrogen bond angle is 124. Terminal boron hydrogen bond angle is 109 picometer. B2H6 diborane B2H6. Here boron hydrogen, boron hydrogen, boron hydrogen, boron hydrogen, terminal boron hydrogen covalent bond formation, 2-centered 2-electron bond. Here boron hydrogen, boron hydrogen, boron hydrogen, boron hydrogen, here called bridged bond called 3-centered 2-electron bonds. As if the hydrogen binds here vacant and hybridized orbital of boron on either side called the structure of diborane.